Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds, hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at the legacy of Rome. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Alright, onward. Greek art, literature, philosophy, and scientific developments made a significant impact on Rome. Still, the greatest Roman authors wrote in Latin. In his epic poem Aeneid, the Roman poet Virgil tried to show that Rome was as heroic as Greece. Others used poetry to satirize or make fun of Roman society. Roman historians recalled Rome's triumphant past in an attempt to renew patriotism. In philosophy, Roman thinkers were impressed with the Hellenistic philosophy of Stoicism. Like their Greek predecessors, Roman sculptors portrayed their subjects realistically, focusing on every detail. However, the Romans distinguished themselves by also focusing on individual character. Art and drama were important aspects of Roman culture. Artists depicted scenes from Roman literature and daily life in frescoes and mosaics, pictures made from chips of colored stone or glass. Dramatists wrote many plays, including comedies. Another distinction that set the Romans apart from the Greeks was their architecture. Unlike the Greeks, the Romans emphasized grandeur. They built immense palaces, temples, and stadiums, which stood as impressive monuments to Roman power. The Romans also improved structures such as columns and arches. Utilizing concrete as a building material, they developed the arched dome as a roof for large spaces. In addition, Romans excelled in engineering, which is the application of science and mathematics to develop useful structures and machines. Roman engineers built roads, bridges, and harbors throughout the empire. They built aqueducts, or bridge-like stone structures that carried water from the hills into Roman cities. In general, the Romans entrusted the Greeks, who were citizens of the empire, with scientific research. Ptolemy, the astronomer-mathematician, proposed his theory that Earth was at the center of the universe. This mistaken idea was accepted in the Western world for nearly 500 years. Rome was committed to the rule of law and to justice. To protect the empire and its citizens, Rome developed civil law. As Rome expanded, the law of nations was established. This law applied to both citizens and non-citizens of Rome. As Rome extended citizenship across the empire, the two systems merged. Roman law also included the legal principles that the accused are innocent until proven guilty, and that guilt must be established using solid evidence. These ideas influenced the legal systems of many nations. And now to recap, Roman fashion, they made everything bigger and bolder. Latin literature flourished, with Virgil hyping up Rome in the Aeneid, while other poets preferred roasting Roman society. Historians tried to drum up patriotism by reminiscing about the good old days. Roman sculptors captured every wrinkle and scowl in realistic portraits, and their architects took Greek elegance and supersized it, building massive domes, arches, and aqueducts that still impress today. Engineering was Rome's true flex. They built roads, bridges, and cities like a well-oiled machine. Meanwhile, Greek scholars handled most of the scientific heavy lifting, though Ptolemy's whole Earth is the center of the universe theory was a bit of a whoopsie. When it came to law, Rome set the gold standard, introducing principles like innocent until proven guilty, which modern courts still use, even if Roman judges were sometimes bribable. In short, Rome didn't just copy Greece. They took its best ideas, made them practical, and ruled the world with them. There you have it, folks. That is the legacy of Rome nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. What do you want the legacy of Nutshelled History to be? Let us know in the comments down below, and smack those like and subscribe buttons for me. I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.